Welcome to Triple C Trailer Sales in Watervliet, Michigan. Today we are going to walk you through a 2022 4-star 2-horse straight load with a side ramp. And starting here in the front dressing room, there is carpet on the floor. The saddle rack post is adjustable. So you just pull the pins here in the back, and there are many different options to put these where you would like them. And there is also an extra fan. The charcoal skin is an option. This trailer is 7'6" tall and it is 16 foot in length. The rear ramp and the side ramp are both easy lift. The floor in here has a WERM floor that stands for We Eliminate Rubber Mats. It is a permanent poured floor and there are no mats to pull. The chest and butt bars both have quiet ride. And the lower removable, this has a lower removable divider, and the head shield is fully extended to the floor. The roof is fully insulated. Okay, here at the front there are 2 more fans, and then this trailer, the wall slants a little bit so you can walk your horses out to the side here. And so if you have any questions, please call us at 269-463-6121, and don't forget to like and share.